Howdy, neighbors. Good morning, everybody. So glad to be along with you this morning. And joining us today, Roy Lee Lindsay. Roy Lee is, of course, with the Oklahoma Pork Council. Roy Lee, thank you for being with us this morning. And first of all, I wanted to talk just briefly about a lot of our agriculture groups have stepped up and trying to help the folks in the Newcastle Moore area in response to the disaster earlier this week. I know the Oklahoma Pork Council, one of those folks that have been down in that area handing out some meals.
Sure, we have. We've done, from the Pork Council itself, we've sent about 1,800 pounds of pork shoulder butts down to the Operation Barbecue folks down in Moore. Later today, we're going to be in Shawnee at the Farmers Market. They're doing a little fundraiser giveaway with all the proceeds going to help the folks there at Bethel Acres. We'll be grilling and giving away pork burgers today, 8 to 2, and in Shawnee. Others from around the state, Tyson Foods sent their Meals That Matters truck. Seaboard Foods has donated some 2,000 plus pounds of pork. We've had others that have sent us pallets of water and just a pledge. We've got calls from all over the country, pork producers from across the country that want to come to Oklahoma and volunteer and help, and we're still trying to figure out what the best way for them to do that is.
Right. Well, I know that's a great response from across the agricultural community. I know the Department of Ag and Jim Reese have been working hard to coordinate all of that. Now, let's talk a little bit about some of the things going on within the pork industry. It's Memorial Day holiday weekend. It's grilling season, and that's always an exciting time to try to sell pork.
If you haven't busted out that grill, this is the weekend to get it out. And as you think about that, you've got a nice long weekend, whether Sunday evening, Monday afternoon, whatever it is. Throw some pork on your grill. It's a great way for you to give your family a little variety. You and I were kind of talking before we started here about mix some ground pork. You can buy ground pork at almost any grocery store today. Mix it in with your ground beef to give your burgers just a little bit different flavor, a little bit different taste, something out of the ordinary, if you will. Look for pork chops to go on your grill. Quite a bit less expensive than steaks, and I enjoy a steak as much as the next guy. But if you're looking to still do the grilling experience but save a little bit of money, look for some pork loin, look for some pork chops and things like that that you can put on the grill and still have that great outdoor experience.
One of the things about pork this season, we've got a lot of pork in the pipeline, so there's great opportunities maybe to get some good deals.
Sure, and the easiest way for me when I'm looking for good deals is to buy larger cuts, buy like half a pork loin. It'll weigh about 4 pounds, and then you can carve it into the cuts you want. So if you like nice big 1.5 to 2 inch thick pork chops or butterfly chops, you can carve them yourself, and you're going to save $1 to $1.50 a pound versus buying those that are already sliced and packaged in the supermarket.
So great opportunities, and this is a great weekend to get started.
Sure is. Enjoy the outdoors. Looks like it's going to be a beautiful weekend.
All right. Really appreciate your time today. Roy Lee Lindsay joining us today from the Oklahoma Pork Council. We remind you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can check out the latest on our agricultural news feed at www.oklahomafarmreport.com and be listening to us on great radio stations all across the state on the Radio Oklahoma Network, a service of Griffin Communications. I'm Ron Hayes for News 9.